Hi, you gorgeous women. Have you always wanted to expand your clientele and increase your profits? Have you always wanted to get started with promoting what you do or letting the world know what your offerings to the world are and you don't know where to get started? Fear not. We Now Hub, or known as Women Empowered Now, creates the platform for you to promote your products and services and to give your business more visibility. We Now Hub is a platform for women by women. Our We Now classified ads platform was established in the year 2014. We are back now in the year 2020 with a new mission and brand statement. We Now Hub is a digital platform which will help to take your business to a whole new level of success. People get to know more about you and your product and your business. Your ad might be about a range of products, business or services that you provide. It might also be about some handmade or custom made product. We Now Hub is a classified ads portal which gives you more online presence and visibility. You might be offering a range of products or services. You might be an established, successful business or brand, or you might be a new startup. It's a very easy way to get visibility. All you have to do is go to our Facebook page and submit your ad. You can message your submissions to us, and once your ad has been approved, it will be published on our Facebook page along with all our linked social media platforms. You can attract more clients and generate more profits and revenue for you. All you need to do is have a Facebook account, and you should know how to operate basic functions on Facebook. Who doesn't like more profits? Who doesn't like more cash coming into their business? Everybody likes it. At We Now Hub, you can do it completely free of charge, no strings attached. Since we are in the process of providing better service for our members, we are currently looking for a group of enterprising women to be in our beta testing group. We usually charge RM 120 or $30 for our featured ads, and we charge an additional 50 ringgit or $10 for premium ads. But just for you right now, we are offering all the benefits of the featured ads, verified and premium ads completely free. To get these amazing, powerful benefits, all you have to do is just follow a few simple steps. 1. Like our page, We Now Hub, Women Empowered Now on Facebook. Follow us on all our social media platforms, Twitter and Instagram. 2. Go to our Facebook page and post your ads. And you can also submit your ads via Messenger. 3. You have to invite your friends to come and like your post on our page. If they come on our page and like your post, your ad will show more likes, and this way you will get more visibility. Last but not the least, and the most important function that We Now Hub is based on, our principle is cooperative collaboration with all the members of our community. So what we need you to do after that is promote any two members of this community. You can share the ads of those any two members on your social media platforms or on your page. We believe that raising others gives your success true meaning. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab this amazing beneficial opportunity right now. All you have to do is just go to our Facebook page and post your ad. It's once in a lifetime opportunity. You're not going to get this again. And with the festive season just around the corner, it's the perfect time to attract more clientele and get more sales. So remember, We Now Hub, Women Empowered Now. Your ads, your sales, and your profits.